Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. If you're not new, welcome back. So today I wanted to do a 1 year review and update on my Louis Vuitton Neonoe. So if this is something you'll be interested in, then keep watching. Missing someone. Okay guys, so right here is my baby. It is the monogram Louis Vuitton Neonoe. I have had this bag for only a year now. I purchased this bag last year, I believe June the 5th maybe. So this bag at the time, it did retail for $1,780. Since then it has had a increase of $30, so now it is $1,810 now. So okay guys, so this bag is still in perfect new condition. This isn't the bag I will grab for like everyday wear, and it's simply because of the red detail. So it's not like your everyday go because of the red, but if you get the brown, you know, basic color, or the black, it can be easily worn as your everyday go bag. But it has held up pretty well. If you can see, I don't have any damage to my bag. I don't have any like oil spots. I don't have anything on my bag. The strap is in really good condition. Also guys, I will link the video below of me doing the unboxing on this item. If you are interested in that, just check the description box. But the gold hardware detail, if you can see, no scratches. Same here. Yeah, like no wear and tear really. Like it held up pretty good for a year. It still has the shape, of course. It's not dirty. It's easy to wipe off if you do get something on here. The inside is pretty much the same, look new. It's not dirty in there at all. It holds a lot in here guys. So I'm not really, to me this will be considered a big bag because I'm not into big bags, but this is perfect. Like not too big, not too small, and you can fit all your needs in here. The zipper on the inside, pretty much good. The middle part is good. Everything is good on this bag. It held very well. The only thing, if you can see the bottom, how it just, okay, like if I push it in, it stands up good. If not, it droops down a little. But other than that, everything is good. The stitching is pretty good, still in place. I have no complaints about this bag at all. I think this is a great piece. If you're thinking about investing in this bag, maybe this will be your starter bag, your first bag. This was actually my first bag from Louis Vuitton. So if you're trying to, you know, get your first bag, maybe this will be a great starter bag. And also I have traveled with this bag, you know, on a plane. I try not to travel with too much, so this is like perfect if you want to just carry, you know, your minimal things you may need while traveling. This will be perfect as well. What else can I say? Can you see this? This does have a little, let me see, a little wear and tear. If you can see it, hold on, just a little, nothing major, noticeable or anything, but you can tell that this bubbled up a little. But other than that, it's good. Yep, and the side is good. So overall, my bag held up pretty well, and I still love it. This is what the bottom looked like too, y'all. So y'all see my bag still looked pretty much new. I haven't worn this bag a lot actually, so that could be why. I don't keep it in the box. I do keep it on display behind me. I do try to be careful when I'm using lotion, hand sanitizer, oils, and all that good stuff, so I don't get anything on here. Let me see. I don't have, is that something? Nope, no watermarks. So yeah guys, if you are thinking about getting this bag, go ahead and get it. That's really it. Like, I don't have anything else to say. Like, it's perfect. Currently, unfortunately, it is sold out on their website right now, but just keep a lookout, I guess. Or if you have a sales associate, reach out to them and maybe they can help you get this lovely bag. So I also wanted to do an update on the belt as well, because like I said, if you check out the video below, you will see that I got the belt and the bag together. So I know this belt does reverse. It's monogram on one side and then it's a solid red on the other side. Actually, I never worn it on the red side, but this belt retails for $590. I'm not sure if the belt price went up or not, but this belt does have some wear and tear, and I'm kind of disappointed. And I don't know how, because I barely wear this belt, but if you can see, I have a lot of scratches on my LV, like a lot, and a lot right here. So one thing I don't like, that this this part does, you know, scratch easily, but like I said, from a distance you can't see, nobody can tell, but if you're up close you will be able to see the scratches. Far as the belt itself, it held up very well. No wear and tear right there, just on the LV part, and also on this side, no wear and tear. Yeah, for the most part, I am pretty disappointed about the, you know, the LV part, but like I said, from a distance you will not be able to tell, but up close you can see it. So y'all, if I can find the belt, I will link that in the description. Yeah, on here it just says LV30, I guess reverse, REV stands for reverse, red. So that's all I see on the receipt. But yeah, so that sums it up for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this quick little updated review on my Neonoe and my belt, y'all. So I think this is a great little pair together. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.